Hi, my name's Tom. I'm about to use my new Wagner paint sprayer, and I'm going to use it on this door that I propped up here in my yard. A couple things I want to do. First of all, I want to make sure that I set this to from stain to paint, more of a material, a thicker material than the stain. Secondly, I want to make sure I have my nozzle set the right way. I set it this way if I'm going to go back and forth, and I turn it this way if I'm going to go up and down. I'm going to go back and forth, so I'm going to set my nozzle that way. I also want to go ahead and fill up my paint can here. I can get a hose attachment. I can use it with a regular can. This is a pretty small job, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up. And the way I do that is I press the button and I kind of turn the cup. I kind of unlock it and pop it off, and then I'll fill the cup with paint. There is an attachment for a paint can that you can just pour the paint into this thing. This thing, they estimate, gives about 3 to 5 minutes of solid paint. You don't want to run out of paint because then you start splattering, so you have to be a little bit careful with this. But I'm going to fill this thing, plug it in, and get going. Okay, I've filled my Wagner paint spray up for the first time. You can see the paint kind of sloshing around in there. I don't have a whole lot. I'm just going to give it a shot. I'm going to run it for about 10, 15, even 20 seconds before I actually go ahead and start hitting my board. And again, not like this. You want to go straight across. You probably want to hold it back a little further. So here we go. That easy. That's fast, smooth, it's covering it very well, looks great. I'll go ahead and I'll turn the camera around so you can see from another shot. Just for fun, I did let it run out of paint just to see what would happen, and you actually get these splattery marks all over your door. I'm going to take a quick brush and go over that and get rid of them, but that's what you want to avoid. You want to keep paint in it at all times, otherwise you get these splotchy marks, and it's going to start drying there really soon. I'm going to clean this thing. First things first, unplug it. Next, the cup.